How to download and install Winrar on Windows 10 and 11. Now all you have to do first is just simply use any preferred web browser and just simply type in win-rar.com. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to Winrar's official website. So as you can see, RAR and WinRAR are Windows 11 and Windows 10 compatible. But if you would like to be safe or you would like to be sure, then you can choose your operating system from here. So say for example, you're using on Windows 10, just simply click on that. And then on the next page, you will be redirected to choose a lot of options depending on the language you would like to choose. So if you scroll down, you can see that there is Arabic, Armenian, Bulgarian, Italian, so on and so forth. So if you would like to download the generic one or the original English 64-bit, then all you have to do is just to choose on the very main link right here. Click on it, download it, and then just simply install it on your operating system. And that is how you download and install WinRAR on Windows 10 and 11.